So, florals on a man. Some of you might hesitate, but trust me, the right florals or the right floral fragrance can flip the script. It's bold, it's elegant, it's magnetic, and these 5 florals are built to last and guaranteed to get you noticed. What's good, people? Today we're talking about masculine florals, a category a lot of people overlook. Think rose, iris, jasmine, but with woods, spices, or resins that make them bold and refined. Stick around. I've got 5 that last long, pull compliments, and definitely don't smell like grandma's garden. So why florals? Here's the thing. Blue scents are safe. We know that. Gourmands are sweet, but florals, like I said before, they're bold. Florals add depth, sophistication, and a little bit of intrigue. Well, when done right. They balance freshness with richness and turn heads in any room. So let's get into the list. So first on the list, we have Mancera Roses Vanille. This one here is straight up addictive. It's got rose, vanilla, sugar, some musk. The vibe here is if you could imagine a rose dipped in caramel, warm and inviting, yet never too sweet. It's not sickly sweet. It's sensual. It's slightly mysterious. The right time to wear this would be autumn, winter, nights out, dates, special occasions. The reason why this one here hits is the incredible projection, the longevity, the rose, that sweetness cuts through the cold nicely, and the compliments come rolling in. Number 2 on my list is Dior Homme Intense. This is an iris masterpiece with notes of iris, lavender, amber. This is smooth, this is powdery, this is elegant. It feels like slipping into a perfectly tailored suit. You know, this is stylish, it's undeniably masculine. It does have that lipsticky iris, excuse me. But this shines in the autumn evenings or once again formal events. The iris note is bold, but it's softened with an ambery warmth, and it lasts for hours, leaving this classy trail behind you. The next one on my list is YSL Tuxedo. This is dark rose. This is dress to kill vibes. This has rose, like I mentioned already, violet, leaf, some black pepper. This has it's backed up with some patchouli. Some might say this is predominantly a patchouli fragrance, like predominantly rose and patchouli. That's what you pick up. This is sophisticated, this is spicy, and it's smooth. Think black tie event energy. You know, like I said, best times to wear this in the evenings of the cooler months, special events. Let's keep it moving. The next fragrance on the list is from the house of Thames, London, and this is Peregrina. This one's a stunner with jasmine, vanilla, incense, and amber all swirling together. It's opulent, it's mysterious, rich, like stepping into a palace at night. That sort of vibe. I'd reach for this once again for formal occasions, nights out, or in the colder months. The jasmine feels lush, but never too soft. It's balanced. This gives depth, luxury, and the best part, it lingers for hours and hours, making you unforgettable. The last on my list is Xerjoff Accento. This has notes of pineapple, hyacinth, which is a flower, so floral, jasmine, musk. This is bright, playful, and sophisticated at the same time. It's like walking into a room with effortless charm. That's the best way I could describe this. Listen, wear what you want when you want. But for me, this is best in the spring and summer, especially during the day when you want that extra boost of confidence. It's got that playful, fruity, floral combo that feels bright and uplifting. It lasts, it projects, and honestly, it's one of those scents where people lean in and go, what's that? What are you wearing? So which of these florals is the safest to start with? I would say they're all safe, but if I had to pick one, my pick would be Dior Homme Intense. Which of these florals is the boldest? My pick would be Peregrina by Thames. Which one is the most compliment heavy? I would say Rose's Vanille. And the best for formal events is YSL Tuxedo. Each of these brings something different, whether you want to push the boundaries or you're just testing the waters with masculine florals. There's one here for you. That's my list of fragrances. Let me know which one speaks to you. Are you team bold rose, cozy iris, or sparkling jasmine? Drop your favorite in the comments. Hit that like button. If this has opened your mind to florals, and subscribe for more fragrance breakdowns. Don't forget to smell good, feel good, and be remembered. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.